However, you need to put it properly in A4 format, and then you need to. So yeah, if no question, I think we can proceed to the second document, okay, that you need to submit, which is individual design portfolio. Okay, so for individual, this portfolio is more on your major project sketches. Okay, basically you already did this. Okay, uh, fully assembly sketches, okay, about your overall product, okay, your design, and then you need to make the explorative sketches, okay, where this one is explorative sketches to explore the concept and part. This one really is more on detail, okay, detailed sketches, and then explanatory sketches, okay, sketches that could tell how your concept work. Okay, so this one also, yeah, we already discussed. Okay, just attach all your sketches, okay, in this portfolio. However, you need to put it properly in A4 format, okay, A4 format. So just make the, we call it, front page, and then maybe some introduction, or maybe table of contents, and then put on all your sketches. Okay, then yeah, and that's about the individual portfolio. Okay, this one actually, sketches actually refer to your major project, okay, not the minor project. This one is more actually, this one is for major project, your sketches about our vending machine, okay, vending machine, not your major minor project. Okay, then lastly, group design portfolio. Okay, so for group design portfolio, just one, okay, one report for each group. Okay, so what you need to do is, yeah, the same, okay, with this individual portfolio, where you need to put on all your sketches, and then your explorative sketches and explanatory sketches. Okay, and then yeah, make sure, okay, that your sketches can tell, okay, how your concept work. Okay, this one is already emphasized, right? Without the, what you call it, you need to explain, your sketches itself can explain, okay, how your design works. Okay, so please make sure that your sketch is very clear. Okay. Right. I think that's it. Okay. 3 documents.